The water deflection shield is designed to prevent undesirable spray conditions while the boat is traveling over water. The water deflection shield is installed after the Talon is successfully installed on the boat. Each installation will be different and is dependent upon the position of the Talon as it sits in the mounting bracket. The water deflection shield is installed on the bottom side of the mounting bracket as it is attached to the boat. The installation is designed to be adjustable to suit different angular positions. When placed properly, the curved edge of the shield will sit against the surface of the Talon assembly that sits inboard in the mounting bracket. Take the water deflection shield and determine where it will be installed on the mounting bracket. Important: to prevent seizing of the stainless steel hardware, do not use high-speed installation tools. Applying an anti-seize may help prevent seizing. Align the closest set of holes in the shield with the holes in the bottom of the mounting bracket. The set of holes used on the shield will vary for each individual installation. Take 2 each of the 1/2 inch washers and 2 of the 1 inch Phillips panhead screws to attach the shield to the mounting bracket. The water deflection shield will always be installed on the bottom side of the mounting bracket, regardless of the orientation that the mounting bracket was installed. There should be no gap between the shield and the Talon. Notice, if you adjust the angle of your Talon after this step is complete, you will need to readjust the placement of the water deflection shield to ensure proper functionality.